Hey guys, this is Skyforce95 here, doing a really quick review of a mic windscreen here. This is the little foam slip over kind. I bought this originally for my Blue Yeti microphone, but to my error, this is actually only fits standard microphone, so needless to say, the Blue Yeti is a rather big microphone, and so this thing wasn't able to fit it. Luckily enough, I did have my previous microphone. This is the Samsung Meteor mic, also a USB microphone that it fits perfectly on. There are plenty of people selling these types of foam windscreen microphone covers on Amazon, but I like this one particularly because of the price and how many great reviews it has. This is currently on Amazon for just about $2.95, and for the price, I think it's a pretty darn good deal. It's sturdily made, it doesn't feel cheap or like it's going to fuzz out or anything like that, and as you can see, it slips over my microphone with a nice tight seal. To prevent any possible tearing, I recommend just very gently pulling at the edges because it is a rather snug fit. So the main purpose of this type of windscreen is to obviously block out any type of wind noise, the kind of hissing or howling noises, and also when you're just speaking into the microphone, it also helps reduce any of those expletives, especially with the letter P or B. I'm pretty sure you hear that a lot, especially right now. I'm using my Blue Yeti microphone, which unfortunately still doesn't have a windscreen, which I do plan to get later on. So you're probably hearing a little bit more of a harsh sound when you hear any word with the letter P or B. So I performed 3 tests in order to test the effectiveness of this windscreen. So first, let's go ahead and just use a common phrase with the letter P very often. So let's start out without using the windscreen. Peter Piper picked a patch of pickled peppers. And now here's the exact same phrase with the microphone windscreen on. Peter Piper picked a patch of pickled peppers. So as you can see, it greatly reduced the impact of the letter P. Of course, it doesn't get rid of it entirely, but at least it makes it a little bit more bearable. And now here I am blowing into the microphone to simulate wind noise. And now here I am blowing the same way into the microphone with the windscreen on. Now this test was obviously done with me directly blowing straight into the microphone. Ideally with the wind noise it would be a little bit more faint, but you can see it was greatly reduced, especially in the amplitude of the sound. And for the final test, I decided to pick up my guitar and play a few chords. So here it is without the windscreen on, some finger picking and also strumming. And then with the windscreen on. Higher quality headphones to tell the difference in that test, but trust me, from hearing it play back in my own Audio-Technica ATH-M50 headphones, there definitely is a reduction in the more sharp and harsher tones in that test. So for just under $3, this windscreen is definitely a steal. The foam windscreen not only blocks out those harsher tones, but it also helps protect the microphone from your spittle when you talk into it, so it's definitely a worthy investment. As a side note, this will obviously add additional bulk to your microphone, so if you were to put it back to its original case, like for me, I found it much more difficult to obviously take it back out of the case again because now it's occupying more space, so you might want to consider buying a new case for this. I definitely don't advise taking it on and off, even though it can squish down to a pretty storable size, just because it's made out of foam, and after a good deal of doing so, it will have a lot of wear and tear. But no real downsides to this product, so I give it a 5 out of 5. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like, it'd be greatly appreciated, and make sure to subscribe to my channel Skyforce95 if you haven't already to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.